Hello everyone, I am Fatma Akhtar Mithi. Today I am going to talk about humanity at the crossroad. It could be the century where diseases are killed, destitution is overcome, or it might be the century with the level of catastrophe which is obscure to mankind. The result will depend on activities and activity that will be attempted in coming years. The issues require all of our consideration. We cannot foresee the future. Consequently, economical advancement, which is understood as development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs, which must address not as it were natural concern but also issues of social and economic sustainability. The conventional development worldview offers wrong consolation. An expanding number of citizens in all parts of the world are demanding improved environmental conditions, counting fresh water, nourishment, security, and more equality of life in common, which concerns around climate alter and natural corruptions are presently worldwide, as it is the realization that no nation can act on these issues alone. What is required are laws that give a motivating force to moderate characteristic assets such as vitality supplies and water, alongside advances that reuse those assets. Biodiversity. The assortment of plants, creatures, and all living things on Earth is being corrupted by contamination, over angling, and expanded utilize of timberland area for horticulture, says the report distributed each 5 years by the UN Convention on Biological Diversity. If we talk about the situation during pandemic, UNICEF and whose partnership has uncovered and abused the blameless disparities, shameful acts, and inconsistency of our world inside and between the countries. Together, they have locked in, enabled, and communicated with communities around the danger of COVID 19 and how to remain secure. They have created joint direction for the avoidance and control of COVID 19 in schools. They upheld well-being laborers with made strides, contamination avoidance and control, and backed them to convey superior care and psychosocial back for patients, their families and communities. They obtained and conveyed basic supplies. Secondly, as they bolster nations to recover from the widespread, we must bolster them to preserve fundamental health services, counting schedule immunization for children. The pandemic has shown that we can only meet the major crisis of our time with a whole of government, whole of society approach. The limited outside activity has resulted in detrimental losses in the global economy, but without human touch, the natural world has been thriving. While these improvements will unfortunately not last as people revert back to their normal habits, the environmental improvements have been eye opening to how much responsibility humans have in damaging the world. Pulverization of environments and natural habits caused by the decrease of biodiversity. Some organisms, species, and strains of both creatures and plants have gotten to be terminated or imperiled due to the burden of our environment. We will endure the results of our activities if we continue to further destroy and cause damage to our environment. Mankind has come to a bridge that can only be crossed in unity. Recycling, spreading knowledge of how to take care of our environment, building eco-friendly infrastructure, reducing the use of fossil fuel and other hazardous materials, donation and support to organizations or government agencies dealing with biodiversity greatly help the restoration of ecosystem and biological life. These steps could help us and our future generation to have a healthy life. It could also save our Mother Earth to survive. Whether this could be the finest century or the disaster one depends on the actions we take in the coming years. Thank you.